Welcome, everybody, and welcome to the FinTech Solutions for Small Business Conference. We're very excited to have you all with us today. My name is Susanne Chishti. I'm the CEO and the founder of FINTECH Circle. And for us today is the first time that we dedicate a whole conference to the topic of what can the fintech sector do to support small businesses with all the fintech solutions which have been developed over the last few years. And this conference is in partnership with FSB, the Federation of Small Businesses, which reaches out to all small businesses across the UK. So a very exciting day ahead, and I want to share with you now the range of speakers which we have chosen for today's event. And I will share with you, also the highlights of what they will talk about in a second. So the key thing for us really is we wanted to make it very engaged, very interactive. So we have for all participants live the opportunity to network on this platform, which we're using via networking rooms, via asking questions to speakers, and via seeing yourselves, and seeing the other participants on here as well. So please take advantage of those networking opportunities. When we go now to the next page, you can see myself, as I said already, I'm the head of FINTECH Circle, the founder and the CEO, and delighted to be here with you, being your conference chair for today. After me, we have got Rowena Howie. Rowena Howie is our partner from FSB and also the owner of Revival Retro and the FSB London policy representative. So Rowena is our partner, and FSB is our partner at the conference, and she will share her thoughts about the importance of small businesses for the UK economy. Followed by Rowena, we are delighted to welcome John Glen. John Glen is the Economic Secretary and also Member of Parliament. And John is the Economic Secretary to the Treasury and also City Minister with responsibility for the fintech policy since January 2018. So more than 4 years in this is very important role. After John, we are delighted to welcome Rajesh Agrawal. Rajesh is a Deputy Mayor of London for Business. And as many of you know, Rajesh is a fintech entrepreneur himself. So he has launched his own fintech company very successfully. And so we are very looking forward to be inspired by Rajesh and sharing his expertise, how the fintech sector can help small businesses. After Rajesh, I welcome Jenny Knott on the stage. Jenny and I will do a fireside chat. And Jenny is the non-executive director, the NED, for the British Business Bank, a very experienced banker herself. And I will have the opportunity to ask Jenny lots of questions and specifically how small businesses can benefit from all these technology solutions and often at low cost to reach their potential. After Jenny and after the fireside chat, we will welcome Guy Bridge on the stage. Guy is the CEO of FinPoint, a very important alternative lending platform, reaching out to those of you who want to raise funding, specifically lending, specifically loans, debts, but also asset finance, inventory finance. So different funding options are all available at the FinPoint platform, and Guy will provide us an update on that. After Guy, we welcome Meg Ettram on the stage. Meg is the head of Mindspace Coaching, and Meg will talk about sales, how to sell better, how to develop your business, how to grow your small business in a better, more sustainable way with very successful client engagement. After Meg, we have got Mark Trowbridge as the owner of Connex Hub. Mark is a big believer in the power of freelancers and the power of the gig economy, and how to use, also your mobile phone, both as a work phone, as a private phone, having multiple numbers on phones as well. So he will explain us really the importance of the freelancers play, for small businesses, and how to empower your workforce in order to be most effective as well. And finally, the end of today will be a panel discussion led by Kimberly Waldron. Kimberly is the founder of Skyparler and also the Future of Banking podcast host. And Kimberly has chosen 3 great entrepreneurs to join her. Derek Stewart, the founder and CEO of Pay SME, Daniel Kreiler, the CCO of Viva, and Jimmy Fong, the CCO of Aseon. And they will talk about examples and practical examples what fintech solutions are out there in the market. So that's the overview for today. I really look forward to welcome all of you to participate in the conference. We will not record the speeches of John Glen and also not of Rowena Howie from FSB, but we will directly go into now the speech of our Deputy Mayor of London, Rajesh Agrawal. So with that said, I welcome now Rajesh to share his knowledge and expertise with all of us in the next video. Thank you so much, and speak very soon at the next session.